Here I have LENOVO Tab for LTE, and let me show you how to enable developer options on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen, tap apps icon, then find and select the settings. Here you have to scroll down to the bottom of the list and choose about tablet. Afterwards, let's find the build number and let's tap a couple of times on build number. As you can see, you are now a developer, so we can go back to previous list, and right here under printing you've got developer options. Let's tap it, and here you can use all developer features. For example, you can enable OEM Unlocking by tapping enable. You can also enable USB Debugging by tapping OK, and other stuff such as, for example, you can enable View Attribute Inspection. You can disable verify apps over USB and other stuff. So that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.